What up, world? Man, this is exclusive right here, man. What y'all think about this here? This is what I do. Shout out Queen B on the sample, man. Queen on the hook on this one, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. Turn up. Bright lights flashing back at me and shit, man. You know it's real. I'm dropping the mixtape at the same time, man. Simultaneous multi-camera views, man. The most in-depth in the studio, man. That's what we do. Check us out. MLE, MLE, MLE. Do this for my family. What up, world? Know what I'm talking about? Liga Mayor, Musica. Know what I'm talking about? It's the meditation. It's the meditation. I ain't gonna rap on it yet. I'm just let y'all hear the behind the scenes on how I make this shit. I really produce these beats, man. I really do this. It's just genius what's going on inside my head. You know what I'm saying? You wonder why I got these dreads twisted up like that? Why I got my bread stacked up like that? You better listen to that hook one more time, man. She might tell you why. You know what I'm talking about? You ain't on the music, man. You just ain't with it, man. You get lost, man. Stop even trying to fuck with me, dog. Trying to hate on the real nigga. Tell them again, baby. You know what I'm saying? Let them know what time it is. That's what we do this year. Major league in a major way. Footage, man. Y'all, man, do this shit for all y'all, you know what I mean? I'm supposed to be looking at the damn screen. I'm over there following what on there. Ain't got the bright ass light. We really do this, though. You know, damn light is fine as shit. Hey, you got a banana in your pocket? Oh my goddamn nut. You know what I'm saying? Where's the Ciroc at, man? Shout out Puff Daddy, man. Making them dance and shit. It's what it is, you know what I mean? The music so smooth, so jazzy. A whole nother level, man. I do this for my fanatics, man. The fanatical fanatics. You know what I'm saying? For the fan base. You know what I'm talking about? For them haters, man. I tell them get out my face, man. Get out my way, cause I ain't got time. Green thumbs up, man. Come find me. Legalize us, man. Come out and vote, man. What it is, November 4th? Make sure you come out and vote, man. September 4th, I'm out there, man. Lil Wayne. Man, you better eat Drake ass alive, man. Fuck Drake, man. I'm all about Wayne, man. Wayne better ride Drake ass, man. Hey, and I'm finna party with you niggas. Wherever the fuck y'all gonna be at, y'all at Sky. I'm on E-Boy Script. I'm somewhere out there, man. For Amphitheater. Man, Instagram, shawty. I'm gonna be out, yeah, I'm gonna be loose too. So, man, y'all best bet is to keep up with me. Follow me, Instagram, Twitter at MajorLove727, Facebook.com/Major League 727. Make sure you follow me, man. Keep up with us. That's the only way you're gonna keep up with it. Go to Reverb Nation. Download the Major League Music Group St. Petersburg, you feel me? Not the rest of them niggas claiming that Major League Music Group. All in all, you know, download the application, get it on your phone, follow the music, download that shit. Go to the store, purchase a t-shirt, man, come out and support me, man, you know what I'm talking about? It ain't just me, we all got this shit on, you know what I'm talking about? It's advertising, it's in the music. You know, it just is what it is. It be what it is. It's just making love. It's a wonderful feeling. It's just, if you're a part of the movement, it's a motivational movement and the meditation and music. It's all about them M's this year. Them M's keep coming. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Let me go ahead and sample that, Photoshop and edit that, It's still gonna be real though. You know what I mean? It don't matter what you do. Keep it major and major gonna keep it in love with you. You know what I mean?